Alright, just in Jordan vs Israel. Jordanian resolution. Israel is causing severe suffering in Gaza. Israeli response. The only place this resolution belongs is in the dustbin of history. The Jordanian resolution presented at the UN General Assembly on behalf of 22 Arab countries accused Israel of causing severe suffering in Gaza. Israeli ambassador, as you can see him speaking to the UN, said Gilad Erdan criticized the resolution for not addressing the action of those who initiated the conflict and dismissed it as lacking in relevance to achieving peace. He also found very harsh words for Iran. I will leave you to watch this video to detail, but then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. The source of this news is UN, United Nations, after they gathered, and then listen to what the Israeli ambassador had to say. Thank you very much. Remember, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.
Dustbin of history, the dustbin of history. Iran is known as the world's #1 state sponsor of terror, and for good reasons. It's completely natural that the foreign minister of this brutal regime should be the speaker following the resolution drafter. The country with a Nazi ideology of annihilating Israel publicly says, stands in solidarity with its proxy Hamas, which shares the same Nazi ideology and aims for our destruction. Days ago, he spoke with the leaders of Hamas and its twin terror group, Palestinian Islamic Jihad, praising them for the slaughter. And today he is here to fill your ears with poison. Distinguished colleagues, we are gathered here in this hall today as a result